Welcome back to the fourth and final tip about how CMYK breaks. Editing in CMYK breaks your files. Very often I'll hear professional print vendors erroneously make this claim, that if they were to choose the edit convert profile on the CMYK file to swap between different print settings, edit menu, color settings, that it would solve this problem. I'm going to show you that's not true. Now, another thing that I hear is, well, sure, but if you were to convert the RGB file to CMYK, you would see the same problem. That's also not true. Let's start there. I'm in the RGB file. You can see, again, the problem, right? Look at that blue cast in my CMYK file. It doesn't appear in my RGB file. I said earlier that the RGB file looks darker than the CMYK file, but that was also not true. We remember, right? So back to the RGB file. Here we go. Image, mode, CMYK, and we expect breakage, but no, it looks just like it did, and it delivers exactly what it promised before the conversion. It's now a CMYK file, but it's not broken because why? I did not edit it in CMYK. Okay, I'm going to do an undo. It's back to RGB. Let's go to the CMYK file. In the CMYK file, of course, I can't convert it to CMYK. It's already there. And so to convert from one CMYK color setting to another, a print shop will say, well, that's what this is for. Convert to profile. Convert from this profile. Convert from this color setting for this printer and paper combination to another. So I'm going to convert it from what it is, swap 2006 coated paper, to newsprint. Now you can choose anything you want, but back to newsprint. We saw that earlier and it changed our values, but only on the CMYK, or only on the RGB file. So let's do it now to newsprint and see if in fact it solves my problem. Let's watch for that blue color cast to disappear. No fix. So the edit menu, convert to profile, is not a solution for editing in CMYK and the anomalies that it creates. End of tip 4.